Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed. I'm a College of Medicine student. Today I'm going to talk about organelles in cytosol, especially eukaryotic cells. So now we just focus on this this mind map that I have built, and inshallah we will talk about it perfectly, all the organelles of eukaryotic cells, and we have the first note. The numbers and types of organelles vary in different cells depending on the cell's function. So you have to know it depends on the cell's function, the number and types of the organelles, okay? So you have to know them. The first one is cytoskeleton. What is cytoskeleton? Cytoskeleton is something that we call is a network of protein filaments extend throughout the cytosol. Okay? Is a network of what? Is a network of protein filaments. Okay? And what is the purpose of this? What is the benefit of this? It has three main types, and in the order of increasing diameter, it's three types. Okay, so we have three types of this. The first one is microfilamentous, and then we have intermediate filamentous, and then we have microtubules. So now we'll talk about the microfilamentous. What are them? They are the thinnest filaments, or they are the thinnest types of cytoskeleton filaments. We said that they are protein filaments, okay? And it's the most prevalent at the edge of the cell, okay? It is the most prevalent at the edge of a cell, okay? It is composed of the proteins actin and myosin. Actin and myosin are the components of the microfilaments. Okay, functions. The most important part of microfilaments is their function. Okay, generate movement, provide mechanical support for extensions called what? Microvilli, small tufts of hair. Okay, what are they doing? They greatly increase surface area of the cell, are abundant on cells involved absorption, just like the epithelial cells that line small intestine. Okay, microvilli. Okay, they greatly increase surface area of the cell and are abundant on cells involved in absorption. Involved in what? In absorption. So you have to know what is the most common example for absorption. Of course, small intestine. So you have to know. Okay, guys? It was about microfilaments of cytoskeleton, and we have intermediate filamentous. What are them? Intermediate filamentous are found in parts of cells subject to mechanical stress. Are found in parts of cells subject to what? Subject to mechanical support. Okay, so mechanical support is the job of intermediate filaments, is the function for intermediate filamentous. Okay, functions of them. They stabilize the position of organelles such as nucleus and help attach cells to one another. So they have two main functions, okay? They stabilize the position of organelles, okay, such as nucleus. So nucleus is stabilized in its position by intermediate filamentous. As you can see, they are like this, and stabilizing all the organelles inside the cytosol. Okay, we have to know. Okay, and we have help attach cells to another. Okay, help attach cells one another. Okay, help attach cells to one another. So we have a cell, and for attaching to another, so we need what? We need intermediate filaments of cytoskeleton. Okay, we have the last type, microtubules, are largest, are long, are unbranded hollow tubes composed mainly of the protein tubulin. Wow, just look at it. Tubulin, microtubules. Wow, this is really easy for understanding and for memorizing. Its assembly begins in an organelle called centrosome. Wow, it's really awesome to know that microtubules, okay, begins in an organelle called centrosome. Okay, and it helps determine shape of the cell. Wow, if a question says, what helps determine shape of cell? We have two answers. We can generally choose cytoskeleton, and we have in detail microtubules that they do this function. They do what? They helps determine shape of cell. Okay. Function in the movement of organelles. Wow, this is really awesome. Their function in the movement of organelles by cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella is an example of microtubules. Okay, so you have to know they are for movement. This was about cytoskeleton. Okay, guys, I hope you like it, but we have main functions of cytoskeleton. Its function helps determine the cell shape, just like we talked about in the microtubules. Okay, organize the cellular contents, just like intermediate filaments, and aids movement of the organelle within the cell, such as chromosome during cell division, and whole cells such as phagocytes. By cilia, we can say for those components that we know they are moving on the surface, and flagella for a cell, a whole cell, just like phagocytes. I hope you liked it, guys, and this was about cytoskeleton, and follow the playlist for other organelles. Bye.